Encountering driver issues while setting up your HP printer on Windows 10 via USB? Fret not. Join us as we guide you through the process of installing an alternate driver for seamless printing. Step 1. Connect the HP printer to your computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Open Settings and go to Devices. Step 3. Select Printers and Scanners and click on Add a printer or scanner. Step 4. Choose the HP printer from the list and click Add Device. Step 5. If the specific HP driver is not available, select the printer that I want is not listed. Step 6. Choose Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Step 7. Select the USB port option and click Next. Step 8. From the left pane, choose HP as the manufacturer and select a compatible model from the right pane. Step 9. Click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation and then click Finish to complete the process.